Hi, this is Angel Mendez talking to you from the Sporting Goods Department of the Main Exchange, and today we'll be going over the Glock 23. This is a Generation 4 model. It comes with three 13-round magazines, a large, medium, and small interchangeable back straps, speed loader so you don't hurt your hand as much loading up the magazines, cleaning brush for cleaning it out, and a cable lock. And then it also comes with this case right here, which fits everything in there perfectly. The Generation 4 model comes with a few new features. The first definitive one is the grips, as opposed to the smoother ones on the Generation 3. These ones have little ridges to help you hang on a little better when you're taking the recoil. It also has the larger magazine release right here. It's at least twice the size. And then on top of that, it has dual recoil spring right here. It takes care of the perceived recoil and malfunctions when your limb print, if anyone limb press shoots it. And next time we'll go over Ruger's LCR. If you'd like us to review a firearm, leave it in the comments below. See you next time.